In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix League of Legends error code 004. Start by going into Finder, Applications, and search for Riot Games. Now put this on your desktop. What we're doing is launching the game in a different file location. Once you're logged in, click on your profile, Settings, League of Legends, and press Repair. Once that's successful, you can close Riot Games launcher, and we're going to go into Settings, Storage, and we want to make sure we have at least 20 gigabytes free on our drive. Now scroll down the little side menu here until you get to Privacy and Security. Go to Full Disk Access, press the plus icon down the bottom here, and put your password in. Now search for Riot Games, press Open, and then you want to quit and reopen. So this needs to be toggled on so no files are blocked during patching. If you're still having issues, then you'll need to uninstall Riot Games and League of Legends and then reinstall it. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you found this helpful.